In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund from Google Play. If you purchased an app, game, subscription, or other digital content through Google Play and need to ask for your money back, the process is fairly straightforward. The easiest way to do it is through a web browser. So start by opening your browser and going to play.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that was used to make the purchase because that's where your order history will appear. Once you're on Google Play, go to your profile and select Payments and Subscriptions. This section is where Google keeps your payment activity, active subscriptions, and purchase records. From there, open Budget and Order History. That page shows the items you've bought and is where you can locate the specific order connected to the refund you want to request. When you find the purchase, look for the option labeled Report a Problem and click it. This is the tool Google provides for issues related to orders, including accidental purchases, content problems, or requests for refunds. It's important to choose the correct order before moving on, especially if you've made multiple purchases recently. Next, select the option that best describes your situation. You'll be asked to complete a short form, so take a moment to clearly explain the issue and mention that you would like a refund. Keeping your explanation direct and accurate can help avoid delays. After filling everything out, click Submit to send your request to Google for review. After that, all that's left is to wait for the decision. In many cases, you'll get a response within one day, although Google notes that it can sometimes take up to 4 days. So if you don't hear back immediately, that's normal. If you can't find the order in your history, one common reason is that the purchase was made with a different Google account. If that happens, switch to your other Google accounts and check the same order history section again until you find the correct purchase. One important note before we wrap up, this refund process is for Google Play digital purchases. If you're trying to return a hardware device bought through the Google Store, that's handled separately through the Google Store refunds page, not through Google Play. And that's it. Once you know where to look, requesting a refund from Google Play is a simple process. Open Google Play in your browser, go to Payments and Subscriptions, find the order, report the problem, complete the form, and submit your request.